Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. When replacing a scraper blade spring on your snowblower, we recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. Tip the snowblower forward so it rests on the auger housing. You can now use pliers to detach the spring you're replacing. Install the new scraper blade spring by attaching one end to the blade and the other end to the frame. Return the snowblower to its upright position. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your snowblower should be ready for use.